here is where they are getting something right. The art of writing by hand, it still exists, but it is becoming a lost art. And receiving a piece of handwritten anything in the mail is still incredibly precious. It indicates trusted connection. Now, if you are in a position where you are cranking out hundreds of letters a month and you're not able to have the time to do it by hand, then maybe using this robot is helpful, right? If you have a medical condition where you cannot hold a pen in your hand, maybe this is a good solution for you to continue writing handwritten pieces of anything. Okay? That's where this type of technology excels, right? But when you are saying, you know, just go ahead and do it this way, if you want to do it to save time, that's your business, right? But it does not replace an authentic human being taking a writing utensil and writing something out by hand. Again, minus the exceptions I just talked about, right? So if you're in a position where you have to do that, or you're able to keep continuing to do good because this robot is making that happen for you, then by all means use it, right? By all means. But if you are a business or an organization and you're trying to send handwritten letters to establish that human connection, you really need to have a human being do it. Okay? You can sniff out this stuff a mile away even when a robot is doing it. Now, I know that they're saying that they build in the imperfections into the letter writing, especially if you train it to use your handwriting as your own font. But you can still tell, right? There's no way that a staff member dedicated at your organization is going to be paid to just write handwritten documentation, notes and letters to your prospective customers all day long, every day, throughout the year, especially when you have a large or proposed large customer base. It doesn't happen. Now, as an individual, I can tell you what right now. When a business or an organization sends something to me by hand, and I know someone on their staff did that, I'm touched. Maybe I don't use their business very often. Maybe I'm new to the area and I don't know who their business is. But when I know someone at that organization took the time to write me that letter by their own hand, or someone on their staff's own hand, it makes a huge difference. It's authentic and you can feel the authenticity coming through, right? So don't discount that. Use technology to help you scribble and to write by hand when you need to or when it's convenient for you, but never make the mistake that it's going to replace truly authentic writing by hand from one human being, whether it's at an organization or not, to another one. All right? Your customers aren't stupid. We want human beings to love us and to care about us. And the only way you're going to get that done is through another person writing that down. Okay? All right, that's all I have to say about this.